Hi guys, so this is going to be the video for today, and it's just a blue and green eyeshadow look with the blue focusing in the center, just to give it that different look from being in the crease or being to one side, yada yada yada. And yeah, so this is the look. It's another summer look, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. I just did the eyes this time, or the eyes and a little bit of the face. It's not a full face video, so I hope you guys enjoy the video like I said, and comment down below on your favorite lip color. I did a blue color also, you'll see it at the end of the video, a blue and gray lip. Yeah, that's what I did, a blue and gray lip. So tell me which one of them you like more. I think most personally like this one, but I liked the blue one. So just comment down below and let me know which one you liked, blue versus brown or neutral. So yeah, hey guys, so enjoy the video.
Okay guys, so I'm going to start off by priming my eyes, and I'm using the Milani eyeshadow primer to prime my eyes, and this gives the eyeshadow something to grasp onto and make it more intense. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. I apply it first with a brush, and then I use my finger to blend it out properly. So as you saw in the intro, it's a sandwich effect that I'll be doing with the eyeshadow. So I'm going to start by putting a blue or royal blue color in the outer section, the outer V of my eyes, and create a sideways triangle. Yeah, that's what sideways triangle at the side of my eyes with that blue, with that royal blue color. And that royal blue came from a quad, a small quad that I have. It has no particular name, so if you have a similar color, just use it. Okay, so now I'm applying the other half of the sandwich, or the other third of the sandwich. Yeah, the other third of the sandwich, I'm putting the blue, that same blue, in the inner corner of the eyes and creating a vertical triangle to that one. A mirrored triangle. I want to sleep, guys, sorry. A mirrored triangle to the one in the outer V. And remember to leave some space, because it's a sandwich. You need to put that green there if you're following the tutorial. Okay, so now I'm going to take the edge of the brush and just connect the two sections in the crease. Slightly connect them, not too much, so that the space is still there. After which I'm going to add the meat, or the center of the sandwich, which is a green from my beige Hollywood color palette. Yeah, Hollywood, that small palette that you've seen before. Yeah, the green from that, and I'm just keeping it in the center, putting it over a little bit on the edge so that it blends with the blue color. Okay, now I'm going to apply a dark brown in the crease just to define the crease and to blend out that blue at the same time. And this blue is this not blue, this brown is Clean Colors eyebrow powder actually, but I love using it as a transition color in my face. Okay, so now I'm going to apply my face powder to my brow bone and blend that in with the brown that I applied to the crease so that it's all blended in together and seamless. Okay, so now I'm applying a blue eyeshadow to my waterline, and I'm going to do that straight to the inner corner, and I'm using that powder puff so as not to take off my concealer from underneath the eye that I already applied. And to set that eyeshadow, I'm just going to apply that same royal blue that we applied for the outer sections of that sandwich to the pencil so that it sets and stays in place. And for this look, I'm not going to apply any falsies, so I'm just going to apply a whole lot of mascara, and I'm using the hard candy lengthening eyes mascara, and I really love this mascara. It's very nice. I'm going to just prep my lips now, and I'm using EOS lip balm, and now just going to spritz through this lip because it's the blue lip. I'm applying that same blue liner that I used in the waterline to line my lips, and then I'm going to apply a blue lipstick over that. Yeah. And to the center of that lip, I'm going to apply NYX, I don't remember what it's called, but it's a gray lipstick to the center. So guys, tell me what you think about this look versus the one that you saw in the intro, and yeah, that's the video. Thank you guys.
Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed that, and remember to wear the best you for the world to see. And this is Moya Lovely. Thank you for watching, and remember to rate, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Maybe yes, I'm addicted to how we kick it. Everything you say to me, it's so picky. Open it, wait a minute. When you move that curve, you make my heart all in it. And I just wanna be with you tonight. But please, I'ma play it, it's true. But I'll change the game for you. To see what you do, should not be for me. This is how I feel. I'm in need of love, so let's dip about a bit. Ooh, you just I wanna know. I'd like to know. Oh, yeah. just gives me the illusion like I have lower lashes. I don't really have